Hello students, you are welcome all. You are welcome to Starry Academy. You are welcome to our modern class, that is our digital class, because with our video you can listen to your lecture at your leisure time anywhere you are. Now you don't need to stress yourself going for physical class, because if you can listen to this video time over time, then in fact you will find it more interesting than going to physical class. Moreover, in this course, okay, let me introduce myself to you. I am Oguno Abdul Ganiyu by name, and I am your Citn lecturer. And I will be taking you on income tax for specialized businesses and processes. This course, at the end of it, you should be able to know the peculiarities, or you are expected to know the peculiarities of specialized businesses and the specific tax rules that guide the imposition of income tax on the profits of companies involved in these businesses. Okay, what company or what are the companies are involved in what in special businesses? Okay, such as the air and shipping businesses, and also insurance companies and the likes, the telecommunication companies, and also we have companies that are enjoying or benefiting from a pioneer status. Okay, they are benefiting pioneer status. Okay, so the aim of this course by the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria is to make you understand various specialized businesses and situations which demand a shift in the general knowledge of income taxation previously studied, and that is in your P1. Okay, and also, like I mentioned earlier, that various type of specialized business are banking, insurance, oil and gas, agriculture, airlines, shipping, mining and mining of solid minerals and the likes. Also, we have unit trust, and all these we shall look at them one after the other. And they are all these businesses, all these type of businesses have been categorized, or sorry, classified into chapters in this course. So first, to start with, we are taking the banking. Okay, so now I would like to take you through the course contents. Okay, so first we shall be discussing taxation of banks and other financial institutions, like as I mentioned earlier, and also after that we shall look at the taxation of insurance company. So first of all, I say we are taking what? We are taking taxation taxation of banks. Then secondly, we are taking taxation of insurance company. And thirdly, we shall be taking taxation of unit trust. And fourthly, we will be looking at taxation of mining of solid mineral, mining of solid minerals, companies into mining and mining of solid minerals. And also we shall be looking at taxation of what? Of air or hair, shipping, cable, undertakings, businesses. Okay, undertaking business. And chapter 6 of this course, we will be looking at taxation of agricultural business, taxation of agricultural business. And also chapter 7 of this course, we shall be looking at taxation of oil exploration, taxation of oil exploration and production companies. And also in chapter 8 of this course, we shall be looking at mergers, acquisition, takeovers, and restructuring. And also we shall be looking at industrial developments, industrial development. We'll be discussing pioneer legislation, and also we shall discuss export of free trade zone businesses or business. Are we together?